how to turn on or turn off motion photos in camera on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. On the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in the camera, tap on this button right here. You can see that when I tap on it, it says motion photo on. And if I tap on it, it will show motion photo off. So tap on that toggle button to turn it on or off. When it is on, the button will go to yellow. So here you can see the button is now yellow, indicating that motion photo is on. I can tap on it to switch it off. When you turn on motion photos, before it capture a picture, it will record a small video clip. So here, if I open up this picture, if I touch and hold onto the pictures, it should play, or I can tap on that view motion photo right there. You can see it play a small video clip of around 2 seconds. Now, when you turn on motion photo, it will definitely use up more storage space on your device. So if it is not necessary to keep it on, you can simply turn it off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.